na pancake. Ayan. Ilan ito? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8 pieces. Kaya lang mamaya ko pa ito matikman kasi wala pang open fasting o kaya aftari. Pero siguro masarap. Ayan. I have 1 cup of cooked rice. So what I have to do is I have to blend this one. And then we add water, enough water here. Now next we have to put milk here. Enough milk. Now we have to blend. And then we put 2 teaspoons of and also 2 tablespoons of sugar. And then we have to blend it. To put 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I think no enough milk, so we have to add more little milk here. And then we have to blend again. Then we have to knead this one by hand, mix like this. I think no enough flour, so we have to add more. So it's easy to mix it or knead it like this, like that. The dough is sticky, see you can add more flour here, like this. And then we have to put oil, so easy to knead it, like that. You put oil here, not too much, just only 1 teaspoon. And then you have to knead like this. I knead this one for almost 5 minutes. So you see the dough is already soft. Ayan. Ayan. So we cover this one by what you call this? This plastic. And then leave this one for 10 to 15 minutes. So this is the dough. Now next we have to we have to put this one here in flour, in this one, what you call this, where I'm making this chapati. Then make like that. And then we have to divide this one into like this. We have to divide like this. We have to divide in 8. And then next we have to do is we make like this. Make like this. Ito na yung aking ginawa na new recipe. Natikman ko kanina pag open fasting, 23 Ramadan ngayon. Kaya lang konti lang yung aking natikman. Ito yung sobra ng isa. So, ituloy ko ito uli. Ano lang itong natira, 3, 6 kasi kinain ni Fatma yung kanyang share. Kay Lakay, kay Fahad, kailangan di pa sila kumain. So ito, tikman ko. Natikman ko na kanina. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Masarap. Yung sugar niya, tama-tama lang. Buti nilagyan ko ng sugar kasi yung napanood ko sa YouTube ay without sugar. Masarap ang pang breakfast o kaya pang merienda. Kaya successful yung aking paggawa first time. Ayan. Sarap. No need to roll. Just make like this.